Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and immediate prerequisites. Check your iPhone's iOS level and the watch model, and make sure the watch has at least 50% charge. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone so the devices can discover each other. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Align the viewfinder over the watch animation. This initiates the secure handshake, and you'll see a pairing confirmation within seconds when the devices communicate. Once paired, sign into your Apple ID and allow iCloud to sync health and watch data so your information flows across devices. Next, choose your wrist orientation and create a passcode for secure access. Enable Siri and set activity goals. Make notification rules, mirror iPhone or customize per app so you see the right alerts. Then pick a watch face, add complications you use most, and install the key apps. Arranging the app grid keeps frequently used functions one tap away. To finish, validate that contacts, messages, and health data are visible on the watch, and run a quick notification and workout test to ensure sensors report correctly. Install any watch OS updates prompted by the Watch app and configure Apple Pay and Emergency SOS for immediate use. If something goes wrong, if the watch won't pair or data won't sync, unpair via the Watch app, perform a factory reset on the watch, then repeat the pairing flow. This clears caches and resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.